Hi, I'm Roger with Minuteman Heating and Air. Why does the heater smell when you first turn it on? When the cold snap hits and you go to turn on the heater, you will most likely have an initial burning smell. This usually means that the heater's elements have collected some dust over a period of time, and the dust quickly burns off. Don't be alarmed, but if the burning smell does not resolve, or you smell other types of odors, schedule one of our technicians at Minuteman Heating and Air to quickly resolve your issue.